Let the game begin. Okay, nakuha ni Mr. Taas. Kung kinsa ito nakuha si number 9, si Pipito. Pipito to Mr. Maynard. To Nagak attempt for 3 points. Nagak, jersey number 69, my favorite number. Sharp. Favorite position de. Okay, we have Kilaton gikan kang Oy, back to Oy. And it's a 15 second to shoot. Elvinia, 10 second to shoot. 6 minutes and 33 seconds. 5 seconds to shoot. Okay. 2 points from Kilaton. 2-3 in favor of NHA Saint. 15 seconds to shoot. Maynard, gikan kang Pipito, back to Pipito. Pipito ni forma ng itong kapasahan. 10 seconds to shoot. Nakuha ni Mr. Saan na siya? Number 2. Number 2. Ay, si Uy man tayo.
Uy, mana.
Kining 25. Makalahang. Palahang din. Okay, to Mr. Naka-0. We have here Palahang. Palahang, nakuha ni Pipito. Pipito pass to Mr. Maynard. Maynard to Patrick. Patrick ni Porma, pero joke na di ay ni sulot siya. Nagitang kapasahan. Gihatag niya kang Pipito and 14 seconds to shoot. Tunagat na naman at number 3. Wala na chip na ko ni Kilaton. 5 minutes and 30 seconds we have Oy. Gikan kang Kilaton dribbling the ball. Mr. Oy. Candidate niya siya sa Mr. Balulang ha. 15 seconds to shoot to Kilaton, back to Oy. Oy lumusot siya. Gihatag niya kang Elvinia. Elvinia ni Porma for 3. Wala na achieve. 5 minutes and 13 seconds. Maynard to Mr. Nagak. Nagak and same ball position. 5 minutes and 7 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot to Mr. Patrick. Attempt for jump shot 2 points. Again, doon lang pa kung na yung mga kuha ninyo, mag-time out o mag-sub doon sa lamisa. 15 seconds to shoot. 4 minutes and 48 seconds. Oy to Mr. Kilaton. Attempt for 3. 3 points by Kilaton. 5 all, ladies and gentlemen. Seven-5 di ay, sorry. 4 minutes and 29 seconds, 15 seconds to shoot. Nagak, rebounded by Kilaton. 7-5, labaw ang GCB og duha. 4 minutes and 14 seconds, 15 seconds to shoot. Oy lumusot, nakuha ni Mr. Pitos to Mr. Suarez Maynard, 2 points. 7 all, labaw ang kagwapa sa kuhan diri oh, score. Gwapa lagay ka ganot. 15 seconds to shoot, 3 minutes and 55 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot, 3 minutes and 50 seconds. 5 seconds to shoot. Nakuha ni Mr. Maynard. Maynard ang gonna for 2 points. Maynard lamang na ng dalawa ang team NHA Saint. 3 minutes and 35 seconds. Oy to Mr. Yamot. Yamot, back to Oy. Oy, dito mo gihatag kang Mr. Palahang. Nakuha ni Mr. Nagak. 3 minutes and 23 seconds to Mr. Maynard. Patrick pala. Pipito ni Purma. Nangita kapasahan gihatag kang Patrick. 15 seconds to shoot to Mr. Nagak. 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Attempt for 2 points. 11-7. NHA leading. 3 minutes, 5 seconds. Okay, we have here Mr. Oy and out of bounds. 2 minutes and 58 seconds. Bola sa team NHA Saint. Wala. Timeout rep. 2 minutes and 51 seconds, ladies and gentlemen.
Lima-lima na ito, yan.
Time for the timeout. Okay. Pipito. 15 seconds to shoot. Nagak to Maynard. Attempt for jump shot. It's a perfect shot by Maynard. 2 minutes and 40 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, we have gihatag kang Yamot. Yamot attempt. Wala na ko ni Nagak. 2 minutes and 28 seconds. We have Maynard to Mr. Pipito. Pipito lumusot for one hand. 2 points, Mr. Pipito. 15-7 in favor of NHA Saints. 2 minutes and 16 seconds. Oy to Mr. Elvinia, 3 points. Elvinia, 10-15. 2 minutes, 5 seconds. Okay, Suarez. Suarez challenged by Oy. Okay, there is a foul. Jersey number 2. Mr. Oy committed first foul, first team foul. 1 minute and 48 seconds. Maynard to Patrick. 15 seconds to shoot to Pipito. Pipito lumusot. Gihatag ang Nagak. Nagak for 2. Wala na-achieve na panikilaton. 1 minute and 37 seconds. Oy, gihatag dito kang Elvenia. Elvenia wala na-achieve to Mr. Nagak. Nagak gihatag kang Pipito. Pipito gihatag kang Nagak attempt. 2 points by Nagak. 17-10. Lamang ang NHA Saints. 1 minute and 20 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. We have here, gihatag kang Elvenia. 15 seconds to shoot. 1 minute and 12 seconds. Nagitagapasan. Balik Elvenia. Elvenia lumusot. Si Yagi. It's up for jump shot. Wala na-achieve na kwa ni Mr. Yamot. 1 minute. 13 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 55 seconds. Wala na kwa ni Nagak. 50 seconds. 45 seconds. Wala. 40 seconds. 35 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 2 points. 12-17. 25 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 20 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. One more shot clock. 12. 10 seconds. 2 points. 5. Time is over for the first quarter of this game with a score of 17-14 in favor of NHA Saints. Okay, we have here Surya to Mr. Surya again. Surya lungsod na kaninagak. Nagak to Patrick. Patrick nagmamadali and
Nice
it's a
one.
foul counted. Foul jersey number 3, Mr. Artajo. First is na foul, first team foul. Wearing jersey number 22, Mr. Patrick Suarez. 1 point. 18-14. Five minutes and 58 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Traveling violation. Our score is 20-14. Revilla to Mr. Nagak. 15 seconds to shoot nakuha ni Mr. Montilla. Montilla, 15 seconds to shoot. Attempt. Wala. Montilla again, 2 points. 16-20. 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Revilla. 15 seconds to shoot to Mr. Patrick to Revilla. Revilla attempt for 3. Wala. 5 minutes, 5 seconds. Okay, there's a call. Who's fouled up? Jersey number 14. Ano sa'yo pinido ni mong number 14?
Basket tayo sa basket.
Lodet Shaw. Walang isulat. Si Lodet Shaw. First is a foul. Second team foul. 21-16. Fifteen seconds to shoot. Three points. 19-21. Rebounded by Surinya. 15 seconds to shoot. 4 minutes and 5 seconds. To Mr. Surinya. 8 seconds to shoot. 4 minutes. Nakuha ni Nagak. 3 minutes and 55 seconds. Revilla. Revilla for jump shot. Wala. Rebounded by Surinya. 3 minutes. 45 seconds. Montilla wala. Nakuha ni Mr. Revilla. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Kuha ni Mr. 2 points. 3 minutes and 22 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 3 minutes and 12 seconds. Wala. Last 3 minutes. Wala. Gihapon. Kuha ni Surinya. Steal by Pitos to Mr. Surinya. Steal. 2 points. 21-23. Dalawa lamang NHA. 2 minutes and 38 seconds.
Disturb sub dayon.
15 seconds to shoot. Violation lang po tayo. 10 seconds to shoot. 13 seconds to shoot. 3 points.
Time out daw.
Time out ang Team NHA. Atong oras sa bilin is 2 minutes and 7 seconds. 24-25. Isa lamang. Okay, we have here Maynard Gikan Kang Akaylar. Maynard to Mr. Revilla, to Maynard to Akaylar. Akaylar, wala-wala niyang kontra. And it's
Nice!
Mobile kagawad ng Akaylar. Hindi pa talaga kumukupas ang ating Wadi. No good. Nakuha ni Nagak. 1 minute and 42 seconds. To Revilla and Maynard. Easy dribbling the ball. 15 seconds to shoot. Ihatag kang Akaylar to Mr. Nagak. Nagak. And it's a basket count. Who's fouled rep? Jersey number 3, Mr. Artajo. Second personal foul. Third team foul. 1 point. 30-24. Okay, Surinya. Surinya ng tagapasahan. 15 seconds to shoot. 1 minute and 15 seconds to Mr. 14. 9 seconds to shoot. Okay, bola sa NHA Saints. Last 1 minute and 5 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Okay, Lar. Okay, Lar. Gini mo bulag. Wala yung kutag yata kang Maynard. Yata kang Nagat. Attempt for a jump shot. Wala na achieve. Seconds to play. 55 seconds. Gibalik yung Nagat to Mr. Suarez. Attempt. Wala. Nakuha na yung 15 seconds to shoot. 45 seconds. Okay, Lar. Nagkita kayo pasahan. 10 seconds to shoot. Mr. Revilla. Revilla. Pasok. Attempt.
Nice
2
one.
points. Revilla. 35 seconds. 32-24. 25 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 20 seconds. 5 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds. No more shot clock. 12 seconds. 10 seconds. There's a call. What's the threat? Who's fouled? Number 21, Mr. Sorilla, committed. First is na foul. Warning for team penalty ang GCB Aspo. 10 seconds na lang po. 10 seconds. Rangers in number 8, Mr. Suarez standing on the free throw line. 1 point for Mr. Suarez.
Mata na ba? Sa imo nga lang.
For the last of Mr. Suarez.
I-chat sa ate. Nagani gawas agad.
Hi! Time is over for the second quarter of this game, and this game is brought to you by from the SK Council of Barangay Balulan.
Jo, i-chat sa daw si Trisha be. Mata na ba Izel? Third na.
Okay. Okay, Lord, to Mr. Francis, to number 24, nakuha ni Mr. Pala. Sorry, yung kubiti. Ang chetos na itong silungan. Bigo ko sa buwan. Si Karin ay, si Kundi. Si Di Gusto. Okay, nakuha ni Mr. Naka-pink boy. Saan na, na-peer?
Nawa, ingon lagi ko.
Wadi, grabe, wadi.
Mr. Malulang,
6 minutes and 20 seconds. Mr. Suarez to Mr. Villate. 2 points.
Madaot ang beauty, rin kadaog.
6 minutes and 10 seconds. Hinahinay doon. Magapil pa kag Mr. Magarastan ang now. Ay! Stand on. 15 seconds to shoot. Wala. Okay, sa to. Okay, 15 seconds to shoot.
Sabi ninyo, oy, kamapay pa ng contest.
Mr. Kilaton! It's a 3 points by Kilaton. 5 minutes and 30 seconds.
Mapi lagi daw siya, katigapak ka daw siya.
14 seconds to shoot. Nailog ni Mr. Pahalang and...
Iyan! Rep!
Gawa silang sa court, sir, para di ta makuhaan. Technical, no?
Pwede rin,
Salamat.
coach. Coach na ba?
5 minutes, remaining time.
So yung, siya
15
naman kung
seconds to
naka-out
shoot
ato.
and it's out of bounds.
Siya naman nagkuhan sa bulang.
4 minutes, 50 seconds. 35-25, NHA leading. 15 seconds to shoot.
Nice one.
2 points. 27, 37, 25. Okay, Mr. Kilaton. Okay, there's a call from the referee. What's the threat? Who's fouled? Jersey number 25 holding foul, Mr. Francis Suarez. Second person foul, second team foul. 12 second shot clock. Time 4 minutes and 28 seconds.
Yeah, JP.
Okay, bola sa GCB Aspo. 14 seconds to shoot. 4 minutes 15 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. To Mr. Elvenia, 2 points. Elvenia. Last 4 minutes. Remaining time. 27-37. 39-27. 37-29.
Points. 40-29.
15 seconds to shoot. 3 minutes and 33 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Wala na pa di pahalang. Attempt, 2 points. 31-40. 3 minutes and 22 seconds. Maynard to Aquilar, 15 seconds to shoot. 3 minutes and 14 seconds. Nakaripahalang pass to Mr. Elvenia. Elvenia, 3 minutes remaining time. Elvenia again. Wala na ko manikilaton for... What's that, rep?
Wow, wala pikas.
Okay, same ball position. Kay kauban na din sila. 2 minutes and 55 seconds. Substitution, rep. 31-40. 2 minutes, 55 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot, ha? 10 seconds to shoot. 2 points. 33-40. 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Pipito. Easy dribbling the ball. 15 seconds to shoot. Attack. Blocked by... Halang nakuha ni Mr. Napier to Mr. Elvenia. 2 points. 2 minutes and 25 seconds. 35-40. 2 minutes and 20 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 2 minutes and 13 seconds. 5 seconds to shoot.
Nice
2
one.
points. Okay. 1 minute and 58 seconds.
24? One day.
37-42. 1 minute and 45 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Wala na po ni Kilaton. 1 minute and 38 seconds. Elvenia. Elvenia to Mr. Napier. Wala. We have here Mr. Ughan. We have Pipito. 1 minute and 22 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 1 minute and 15 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot.
Oh, pula.
Same ball position. 8 seconds remaining time. 8 seconds ang shot clock remaining. 1 minute and 12 seconds na lang po.
Nag-reply, Joe.
5 seconds to shoot.
Nice.
Okay, 1 minute and 4 seconds.
City.
Seconds to play.
Silingan ra, abay ra. Travel.
Traveling violation. 55 seconds na lang. $50 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 40 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot.
Okay, nice.
Okay, 34 seconds. 13 seconds. Shot clock. 13 seconds shot clock. 33 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot, 25 seconds. 2 points.
Nakuratan ni Jason.
No more shot clock, 20 seconds. 39, 42. 44,
Tuloy
39.
labaw.
10 seconds to shoot.
Ay, wala.
Okay, foul rep. Jersey number 24, Mr. That's it. 24. Pinipikas, Napier. First is an foul. First team foul. 4 seconds na lang nabilin sa oras mo. 4 seconds. One point. 39-45. Time is over for the third quarter. 45-39 in favor of NHA Saint. Okay. Sorinya to Mr. Oito. Antilia to Sorinya. 15 seconds to shoot. Wala na panibalang. Wala yapon. Same ball position. 9 seconds ha. 9 seconds ang shot clock. 5. 2 points.
Nawala. Nabukulan na si Mr. Balulang.
6 minutes and 25 seconds. 41-45. Apat lamang. 15 seconds to shoot. Looking foul. Jersey number 25. Pahalang first sa foul. First team foul. Patrick. 15 seconds to shoot. 5 minutes and 59 seconds. Okay, foul rep. Pahalang committed. Second personal foul, second team foul. 5 second shot clock ha. Okay, ref. Noted.
Kayo, kayo na shot.
Okay, there's a foul. 5 minutes and 49 seconds remaining time.
Yung mangod. Pitos. Pitos.
Okay, 1 point by Mr. Pitos.
Lisod sa dimar shot. Home court.
Okay, we have here Sarinya. Attempt. Wala. Lost ball. Okay, we have Patrick to Mr. Nagak. 15 seconds to shoot. 5 minutes and 24 seconds. To Mr. Revilla, wala. Nakuha ni Mr. Montilla.
Sabi na sa Rebilla.
Montilla to Mr. Oy.
Rabel!
Musod. 2 points. 43-45. Lamang ng dalawa. Tina day. 47, sorry. 15 seconds to shoot. 47-43. 4 minutes and 55 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Okay, there's a foul.
GP.
Jersey number. Amoy ikon diri sa committee. 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Okay. So, ni Montilla. 15 seconds to shoot. 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Foul jersey number 9, Mr. Pipito. First is a foul. First team foul. 14 seconds to shoot. Wala. 2 points.
Ayay!
35-47. 4 minutes and 10 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot.
Ambot nila.
4 minutes. 10 seconds to shoot. Okay, who's fouled up? Jersey number 2.
Rebilla.
Penalty situation rep. Last 3 minutes and 51 seconds. No good for Mr. Pipito. 45-47. 3 minutes and 51 seconds. 1 point. 48-45. Okay. 15 seconds to shoot. 3 minutes and 44 seconds. Still by Rebilla. 3 minutes and 40 seconds. To Mr. Patrick Torrebilla. 3 minutes and 35 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 3 minutes and 28 seconds. Elvinia. Elvinia doing the ball. 15 seconds to shoot.
Ay, naku!
To Mr. Boy. 12 seconds to shoot. 3 minutes and 13 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Time for the timeout. Okay, now good. Mr. Elvinia, again, 2 points. 47-48. Okay, Rebilla. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Elvinia. Okay, there's a foul.
Oh, grabe!
Sports. One. It's a perfect throw. 49-38.
Wala ko kabalo. Kami nagdalag mo.
15 seconds to shoot. 2 minutes and 36 seconds. Walang Nico Nanaga. 2 minutes 30 seconds to Mr. Rebilla o Suarez. Suarez, kinaguli mo ng bola. 15 seconds to